My friends, Coach Vigue, this is day 19 of your 30 days of morning yoga program. As always, it's a delight to train with you. I'm going right into it. I just filmed day 18. That was potent. That was powerful. What did you think of that? We're going into a slow motion power yoga here. Definitely building it up. I filmed a few of these before. I find they are fantastic for stamina, endurance, control, breath support, and overall health and fitness. Slow it down and increase the intensity. Today's random question is your coffee. If you're a coffee drinker, do you prefer with cream, sugar, or black? Did you ask that one? That was theirs. Okay. Comment below, we have to know, and start your day with Coach Vigue. I'm so happy you're here, and we're going to do something very special today. But enough talk. Let's get right to it. Always in real time. Always in real time. We do it together. So we are here. Let's press it back. Child's pose. Everything's slowed down in this. And slow, of course, you'll find out real soon, does not mean easier. Inhale, forward, modified plank. You can always hear the na-na-na-na-na-na-na-na going through your head. Let's go back and forth. In the nose, out the nose. You really have to focus when you do this. Attention to detail. Attention to good form, because you have a little more time to watch it. You're not jumping in and out of these exercises and poses really quickly. You really get to see them and feel them. Like the Who's Tommy. See me, feel me, touch me. Okay. Forward and back. Feel that spine adjusting. Feel it moving beautifully through the movement. 2 more times each one. I'm already a sweaty mess, so why not add a little bit more to it, right? All that sunscreen I have on. This is definitely the summer of sunscreen. And the summer of movement. Beautiful. Bring it up. Bird dog. Hands and knees position. Opposite arm, opposite leg. Inhale out. Exhale down. A great way to work balance and core strength right off the bat. Opposite arms alternating. When I uploaded these kind of videos before, I did voiceovers, because it's a challenge to talk normally and slow the movements down. I could talk like this, but everyone would just leave. Let's talk like. 2 more times each side. It also proves I have not doctored the video. And let me know in the comments below if you'd like to see more slow motion videos. The nose itch was in normal time. Last one. And down, moving into downward facing dog. Foot itches, press up and back. Slow walks. Really sink that heel down, stretch the back. Your back has been getting a lot of attention, a lot of love in this 30-day program. Because I believe we all have back issues. They pop up. They pop up usually when we least expect it. Good. Stretch out that leg. Sink that heel down. More and more breath. Saturate the muscles in the oxygen. Yeah. All right, one more time. Vinyasa flow coming up. Press back. Inhale, trickling forward into plank. Keep going, keep going, keep going. And then hover. Oh yes. Slow it down. Everyone's favorite. All the way down. Hands under the shoulders, cobra. Press into the hands, elbows into the sides. Exhale, lower down. And moving back to down dog. Tuck the toes, press up and back. Slow. These are the ones that get you. You don't think much about these because we're pressing away from the ground, away from, or counteracting the gravity. Yes, that's what we're doing. Inhale, left leg up. Exhale, left foot forward, lunge. There it is. Okay, inhale, rising up. Lunge into cactus arms. Arms up. Open. Extra breath. Don't slow the breath down. Well, you can slow it down as long as you're getting very, very full breaths. Inhales and exhales. Reach forward. Hands down. Back to down dog. You cover a lot. Actually, very few poses with this speed, but they're so effective. Inhale, right leg up. Right foot forward, lunge. I like to go up on my fingers here. Helps. There we are. Ooh, even the wobbling is in slow motion. Arms up. Stretch the back leg. Cactus arms. Squeeze every muscle fiber. Everything working together. Reach forward. Whoa, hands down. All right, vinyasa flow. Sticky mat, sticky mat. Step back plank. Forward. Down. Cobra or all the way up into up dog. Exhale, down dog. Tuck the toes, back. Lead with the tailbone. Stretch. Inhale, left leg tall again. Little bit more speed. Exhale, forward. Lunge. Lift up. Moving through peanut butter. Cactus arms. Sinking down, sinking down. Reach forward. Step back, down dog. Right leg up. We should do this all day. Right foot forward. You can just repeat the video over and over. Sink down into the legs. Open. This side likes to wobble slightly. Reach. Vinyasa flow. Forward. Down. A lot of strength. Body working as one, working together. Exhale, down dog. All right, some classic Coach Vigue warrior flows here. Left leg up, left foot forward, pivot the back foot, coming up into reverse warrior. Arms out, side angle, forearm on the leg, extend. Bring the hands down, melting down to the mat. Down dog. Right leg. And you know the drill, right foot forward. Boom, all the way up. Open. Side angle. I believe it's time for some vinyasa flow. Down. Step back. Forward. Down, sweeping through. One strong movement. Squeeze the glutes. Shoulders back and down. Hi, down dog. Let's do that once again. Left leg tall. Open the hip. Slipping. Left foot forward. Warrior. Bring it up. Arms out. Let's take this elbow down to the legs. Side angle or hand all the way down, extend. All right, make your way back down. Down dog. What do you think? Right leg up. It's very different, very unique. But you got to keep shaking up that snow globe. Open the hip. Scorpion. Forward. That's not forward enough. Let's do it in slow motion. Boom, 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 like a worm. And up. Reverse. Ah. Arms out. Reach, forearm down, or extend it. Okay, bring the hands down. Vinyasa flow. We need sound effects. Some Foley. Forward. Down. Slowly. Challenge your stamina, your endurance, your mental fortitude. Who would think you do it on a mat that's purple, but there it is. Down, cobra, or up dog. Okay, knees down. That's it for today, my friends. I wanted to run this one by you. Slow motion, power yoga, slow motion flows. You want to see more of those? Let me know in the comment section below. I love these. This is day 19 of your 30 days of morning yoga program. Link to all 30 is down below. Begin anytime. If this video helped, please hit subscribe. Click the notification bell up there for all my videos. Like the video, share it. You got to share it with everyone. Tag everybody. Oh, and today's random question. Your coffee, regular coffee, you like cream, sugar, you take it black, take it regular, Jack Reacher style. As always, we need to know these things. They want to know. There's people over there. They want to know. They don't want to be on camera. And it's Coach Vigue. Yes, as always, we are doing it together. It's in real time. We lay down the mat anywhere, anytime, make a massive difference in our health and fitness. And we keep digging deeper. We keep adding on. We keep breathing a little bit more, moving better. So all these little steps all of a sudden become a huge leap from where we used to be. And what a great journey it is to be on. I'll see you tomorrow. Until then. Hey, my friend, it's Coach Vigue once again. I want to give you a special gift to show you how much I appreciate you training with me. It's my most popular 30-minute yoga routine from my exclusive Sean Vigue Fitness Training app. All you have to do is click the first link in the comment section below and you'll get that video immediately, and I'll add you to my mailing list.